Hello all, welcome back to another great video, and this is Imran and you're watching ServiceNow by Scientifically. Yes guys, we have changed our just YouTube channel name and we have rebranded as ServiceNow by Scientifically. And so yeah, so this is the introduction for today and so I just want to tell you that we have rebranded as a ServiceNow by Scientifically, and I want to make this channel completely ServiceNow oriented, so that's why I just made the changes. And so yeah, so today we are going to see about an exciting great video which is called Ingest. Which is what is Ingest? In which is um, in CMDB discovery or ITOM module, there is about three different which is modules in that, which is ingest, govern, and insight. So ingest is a thing which the CI is just which the CMDB um, pulling the datas. What are pulling the CIs? What are the ways that the CMDB gets the CI to be updated? That is called ingest. And the govern, which is having which is the manipulation, or to make that which is make that give make that getting CI should be correctly updated and maintained. That is called govern. And insight, which is we can able to visualize, and we can able to make it as a in a dashboard, and we can showcase and how every which is a discovery is working, and which is uh, how actually discovery runs better, and so gets the CI. And what about the CMDB health, which is CMDB health in the sense how much CI has been correctly updated, and how many duplicate CIs has been which is retrieved from that discovery, and what are the tasks to be done for the reclassification. And these are all things has been we can able to track in that insight. So I'll be explaining the everything, and for today's video we are going to see about ingest module. And what is ingest, which is I have already said that ingest is a thing which is we will be pulling CI or data into the CMDB. In what are the ways we are pulling the data, like, so we are going to see about today's video. And nothing to be delay, we can right away we can dive into the video. Yeah, so ingesting and managing data in ServiceNow CMDB, which is automated discovery or integration and just foundation data, which is collects through ServiceNow. And we can enrich the configuration item for the health and actionable CMDB. See, this is how it works. It will be using so much things, so we can go from here. So the first way we can able to get the CI update or new CI using ServiceNow Discovery. We saw that using Discovery we have updated the CI, and we have tested the IRE, and we tested the reclassification, and we have tested that reconciliation, and we have tested using dynamic reconciliation and everything, right? So these are the thing which is handled by we have tested in ServiceNow Discovery. So ServiceNow Discovery is the ServiceNow's um, which is a ServiceNow's own product, and which is used to maintain the update, which is updated CI in the CMDB. So yeah, what is ServiceNow Discovery? Which is it is automated, obviously, and agentless IP-based infrastructure scanning. So what is that agentless, and what is infrastructure-based um, is IP-based infrastructure scanning? What is that? So, in the ServiceNow discovery, we know that we can able to schedule discovery, right? So we can able to schedule a discovery, and we can make it as a daily basis or monthly basis or weekly basis or on demand, which is if you want, we can able to run it as at the time, right? So like that, we can able to run a discovery. So it doesn't depend, it's completely depends on mid server and our instance and the credential. This is how it works. So yeah, discovery scans IP ranges to detect the device and application and updated CI automatically through four sequential phases. Yeah, it detects the IP, or which is it detects the sorry it detects devices or even CI or applications using IP ranges or exact IP what we are given. So it first scans, which is we have already said that it actually scans, right? It is called Shazam probe. So it started with scanning or finding the live, which is live host, live which is open ports, like that it will be scanned, and after that it classify it classify using probes, and which is pattern, which is once the SNMP devices or SNMP, or once the Windows server's port is about 135, so it find the port open, which is port is open, like 135 port is open, then it finds that the it will start triggering which is Windows Server probe to get the value, and it will classify according to the returns. If it returns from the 135 port, it classified as a uh, Windows Server. It will identify the CI using IRE rule, and which is IRE rule we have already saw in that previous video, right? And it explore. What is explore? It will once it is fine, it will be update or create, like that it will be config in the CMDB. See, mid server execute probes inside the local network and relay encrypted data to the cloud instance. For the best practice, scope initial discovery ranges narrow to prevent performance issues and data overload. What is that? So we have to give a specific range so it can be updated. Okay, yeah, it will be very good to get the value and do it again. So, and the next one is service mapping. What is service mapping? Service mapping is a top-down discovery, which is for which is it will detect from the our instance, which is from ServiceNow. It will trigger that. It will find the through mid server. For example, we can say it as a service discovery as a service mapping. It will top down in the sense it will be started from ServiceNow. It hits the mid server, and through a mid server it has a credential, and after that it will be searching for the uh, servers, and servers it will route to the routers, switches, like that. So it will detect the complete structure of the complete relationship of the complete which is complete devices or applications. So it uses CSDM 5.0 alignment. Okay, uh, it also find the gaps between what are all the which is in the relationship. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I said that application services. It will find the application services, test a dev abroad environment, whatever that, using and geography regions. And this is the interesting part, agent client collector. What is this? It is a simple thing, which will be which is a lightweighted agent will be installed in the client side server or anything server. Let me say it as a server. It will be installed in the server. It is a bottom up bottom up approach of the discovery, which in service mapping it started from ServiceNow and the mid server and the server, and it will go to server to router to switch, like that it will be. But here in this thing, agent collector, which is a lightweighted agent, will be installed in the our client server. It will be showing the entire structure, which is it will start it from its own application, and it goes with the switch, and it goes with the router, it goes with the which is a server and the mid server, finally to the service now. Service mapping start from ServiceNow, and agent client collector starts from the client side. So this is how it works. And see, for the software asset management, it will be work, and there are it will be completely under our own service. If I am a client, it will be completely around in my hand, because that a agent has been which is installed in my own system. So there is no other IPs or no other things will be interrupted in that. There is this is very efficient way. So letting to this fourth way, which is obviously ServiceNow store, which is for the next thing it will be come here, which is the next part, which is I think, yeah, service graph connector. For that, it will be a ServiceNow store. It will be used to download and using the software in that. Let me show that. Yeah. Service Graph Connector. What is Service Graph Connector? Using ServiceNow store, we can able to download which is completely paid thing, because ServiceNow Graph Connectors is a uh, as a predefined complete thing, which is it's only it is a, for example, it can be used as a drag and drop, like that, because it's connect with which is third party software tools. Okay, like SCCM, AWS, Azure, and AWS, and like that. So it will be connected, which is, see, the pre-built certified integration connect service now to third party tools. These are all pre-built connections. So it costs more. It costs more. So for the thing, it should be buy which is purchased from our organization side. Then only we can able to use it. So every connector is pre-tested and strictly adhered to CSDM data model, and incoming data processed through identification recognition engines will be eliminated duplicates and managed support maintained jointly with partner products team, which is this should be maintained by which is a third party vendors, or like AWS team employees, or Azure team employees, or Microsoft sorry uh, Dynatrace, or this kind of company employees should be uh, involved in this part. So this is how it works. So what is Integration Hub ELT? Sorry, ETL. This is completely based on our ServiceNow developers. We used to take the complete ownership of this development, which is ServiceNow Service Graph connectors are pre-built. So in this Integration Hub, we used to integrate the third-party software, and we used to build the own integration part. So we have to which is ServiceNow developers will be taking the complete ownership of this, and which is they will be work on the entire thing. See, step by step store assistant to import clean and third party data into target table, and the cleanness manipulation and concrete raw data gathering payload structure, and automatically routes payloads through the IRE to prevent duplicates. and extend the ETL capability to foundation foundation foundational tables like location, department, users, and graphs. And the last part is our import sets and transformer. It's a manual thing we used to upload using CSV or Excel through import set and transform map. So in this main important thing, which is transform map will be override the IRE rule. Okay, so for this, for identification reconciliation engine, it doesn't works on transform map. So for that, we used to create a on before script to execute this import set and transform maps. So this is the only thing in this import set and transform map. So populate foundation group data, which is enriching discovered CA with operational ownership. What is it? Which is kind of technology management offering and CA class manager, which is used to completely gather the CA class, and we can able to check the entire thing by group data. And if 100 CA is for one class, means we can able to see that one class one classes which is dashboard is enough for that, right? So for that, we can use CA class manager to just we can able to see the complete CAs in one class in a one part, right? So that is how group data will works. So building healthy and actionable CMDB, which is for in this part, it works accordingly to building a healthy and actionable CMDB, which is automate about 90% of ingestion, which is and enforcing data integrity, and complete the 10% of content which is enrich technical CI, which is non-discoverable group and assign and location data like that. So it will be used to which is makes guidelines to governs which is manage the data in the in the CMDB to maintain the health of the CMDB. So do follow ServiceNow by Sientifically and learn more and grow in your career. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Take care. Ta-ta. Bye bye. See you on next video. Bye.